Today's video is going to be a full breakdown of my hair care routine, which has made my hair grow really healthy and strong. Everyone's hair is different, and so many things, especially genetics, can influence the texture and thickness of your hair. So, my routine focuses on both scalp and hair health to promote stronger, healthier strands of hair. So, for the context, I have low porosity, wavy, textured hair, and I usually wash my hair once in a week or sometime twice depending on the situation. Now, on to the actual routine, and the first step is scalp massaging with this electric head massaging tool, which I'm using from last 1 year. And trust me, it's totally intact and does really good for my overall scalp health. I usually apply hair oil on everyday basis to prevent split ends, and I perform deep oiling session a day prior my hair wash. So I'm not gonna include hair oiling on my pre-hair wash routine. I have already posted my everyday hair care routine onto my shorts feed if you want to check it out. Then I go in with my neem wooden comb just for detangling and some extra scalp stimulation. Wooden comb really worked great for me. From the day I have switched from plastic to wooden comb, it has eventually reduced my hair breakage, and it also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which is a bonus. You can even use the inversion method, which is where you flip your head upside down and brush, or you can even use a fingertip for the same. For some extra exfoliation, I apply the ordinary glycolic acid toner onto my scalp, and I do this once in a month only. I apply this directly onto my scalp and gently massage. During this winter season, this step is crucial because it also helps get rid of dandruff, which is my main concern during this season. As a low porosity girl, I also apply deep nourishing mask before my hair wash, for which I use my favorite Dove 10 in 1 deep treatment mask, and the second one is this Bare Anatomy curl defining mask because, as I said earlier, I have wavy and textured hair. Then I'm gonna simply apply the mask and let it sit for some time and let my hair absorb all the goodness. I'm washing my hair after a week now, so today I'll double cleanse my hair using the Nature Spell salt free shampoo. I have used it for a month and it works really well for me. It gets my scalp feeling really clean, and it also has rosemary, which is good for hair growth and density. Then going in with the scalp scrub from Bare Anatomy because in winter I tend to get dandruff and a lot of dead skin cells which clog the hair follicle. I do this step very gently. For hydrating shampoo, I'm using this one from Plum Goodness. It has peptides and other hydrating ingredients which make my hair really healthy and shiny. Then I'm directly hopping onto the conditioner and also adding this bond repair serum from Wishcare. I'm not gonna use any hair mask as I've already performed this step in my pre-hair wash routine. Post hair wash, I go in with the Moxie leave-in conditioner and applying it directly onto my damp hair. As I have wavy hair, so I use this curl cream and adding this Tresemme hair serum. You have to rub it in your hand and emulsify to activate the product, otherwise you're literally just wasting it. I just put it all over my hair and leave it like that. Then for my scalp health, I'm using this Love Beauty and Planet Rosemary and Onion Serum, which is literally finished. I must say that it's really effective. If you are searching for a serum that really works, I'll definitely recommend giving this one a try. To dry my hair, I use this tool, which is an actual dupe of Dyson. Also adding this heat protectant for less heat damage. Usually I let my hair air dry only, but in winters I use this tool to dry my hair from 30 to 40%. Otherwise my hair took so long to dry naturally. I'll link down all the products which I'm using in this video in case you want to check it out. As I earlier said that I do scalp oiling on everyday basis, for which I use this electric massaging oil applicator which also has this red LED light. I've added this rosemary hair oil in it with a few drops of this peppermint essential oil, which I think is a great combo for promoting healthier hair growth. Trust me, if you're using this oil applicator, it will not make your scalp oily or greasy because it only releases the limited quantity of oil which is needed on the scalp, not too less, not too more. So if you guys have enjoyed the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.